how to remove the A-pillar trim from your 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Use a pry tool to pry out the top of the A-pillar. So with it out, you'll see there's one special clip right here with a rubber piece on it that needs to come out. Okay, so after pressing in and pushing out this rubber clip right here, we can go ahead and lift the A-pillar trim out of the vehicle. The passenger side A-pillar has a handle built in, so you're going to need to pry out the two bolt covers and then remove the two bolts before we can get that out. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the two bolts. Just pull the A-pillar up and out. It comes right out. Installation is going to be the reverse of the removal process. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.